Right now, over the past 3 to 4 weeks, approximately 60% of all the Bitcoin shorts got closed in the market, and in this exact video, I will be going over this signal, what it means for Bitcoin, and we'll also go over the imminent short term, where not a lot of things are happening, but I will talk as well about that RSI uptrend that currently is providing support, and the Bitcoin daily trend that is currently still holding on. So I will be going over all these important things on today's update video. So don't forget to slap up that like button on today's update video. If we once again smash it back above 350 likes, that will be absolutely incredible. And with that being said, let me jump straight away in towards the content. And once looking at Bitcoin on the imminent short term, we can currently see that the price action of Bitcoin is still trading in this sideways consolidation range. And we've been right now trading in this range for an approximately 16 days. And yes, the longer we will be trading in this range, the more likely a volatile breakout is going to be. And like you can see, we were trading on that lower side of this range, but so far we still officially have not confirmed a lower low on this 1 hour time frame. So Bitcoin is still trading sideways, and I am not seeing a clear direction of a breakout towards the upside or downside for the Bitcoin price action right now. Also, if I look at the 4-hourly time frame, there are just not a lot of new things that I can analyze right now because there's clearly just nothing happening on the market. We are spotting a small little uptrend on the 4-hourly time frame, and of course we could potentially look at somewhat of a downtrend right here, or we could be looking at the downtrend from here, but there are many downtrends that we could spot in the market right now, and basically everything is leading towards another consolidation phase. So currently, since we're going sideways, it's likely to assume that once we do break out of this range of consolidation for Bitcoin, we're going to have a volatile swing. But yeah, the question really is, when is this going to be happening? So that is why we're currently going to be looking at the higher time frames for Bitcoin, and we're going to be looking at other indicators like the Bitcoin shorts, because if we're looking at the Bitfinex Bitcoin shorts, we can see that over the past 3 to 4 weeks, and approximately 60% of all these Bitcoin shorts got closed, and this is an approximately 98 million US dollars if we calculate it in dollars that got closed in short positions, what means that there's less sell pressure, and also what means that less people are betting, and these are usually the wheels that are moving these trades here, that less people are betting that Bitcoin is actually going to go lower, and that is of course actually a good thing here, because the less shorts are active in the market, the less sell pressure, and once they sell off those shorts, they're buying back in towards the market, because that is how CFDs work, and that is also the reason why if we see a decline in Bitcoin shorts, it means that it is, historically speaking, a bullish effect for the market. And of course, if we see an increase like here, if we see a massive increase in shorts, it usually is a very bearish signal, because that adds sell pressure towards the market. Currently, I am also still in my trade here. Yeah, of course, there's not a lot of things that is actually happening with my trade since the market is still trading sideways. You know the deal. I am going to be buying more and more Bitcoin in towards my trade as prices go lower. So if we are seeing another big drop to $14,000 to $13,000, where my realistic bottom target is, and if we're not going to reach it, I already got a trade. But if we are going to reach it, I will be definitely add more margin around that place, and I will add an approximately 4 to 6 Bitcoin if we reach levels to $13,000 to $14,000. If you are interested in trading, you could trade here on Bybit, or you could trade on BitGet, and if you sign up using the links in the description, you will also get an additional deposit bonus, so make sure to check it out here. And what the nice part about BitGet is here is that they allow you to trade from the US without KYC, without VPN, and it basically allows you to also trade in the US. If you are anywhere else in the world, I would highly recommend to check out Bybit. Furthermore, if I look at the daily time frame for Bitcoin, we can see that yesterday we talked about this signal as well here, that the Bitcoin RSI uptrend, basically every single time we break it, it indicates that Bitcoin is going with another significant move towards the downside. And like you can see currently, we're still holding on towards that level. So this is looking quite all right in my opinion. Bitcoin is still holding on towards the RSI uptrend, and once we do break it, you will be the first one to know here on the channel. So don't forget to subscribe right now here. Also, looking at the daily time frame, we can see 3 perfect touches. We can see boom, one here, and we're bouncing from off this important support line around 16.2k yet again here. And if you're looking at the bigger picture, you can see every single time Bitcoin creates an upper support line on the daily time frame, and we really break below it, we also really have a significant swing towards the downside. So that is why it is going to be, in my opinion, very important to see this level holding up here, because as long as we hold up, we're not expecting that another big swing towards the downside, right? So I will keep my focus on this level If we do break below it, you'll be yet again the first one to know here on this channel if we do have a potential breakdown. Also looking at the weekly time frame for Bitcoin, of course, this one I already discussed, but yeah, 2023 is here, everyone, and this is the year that potentially the falling wedge on Bitcoin could be breaking out here. I think we've got another 4 to 6, maybe 7, 8 weeks to go here before we break out of this, falling wedge pattern on Bitcoin. But once it breaks out here, it could be a very, very beautiful pattern to trade. And currently, I can tell you already, I am trading this pattern because I am already long on Bitcoin with 1.7x leverage. And this is not a scalp trade, this is a swing trade. Probably I will have this trade open for quite a while here, but I am definitely all right with that here. So this is it for me on today's update video. If you do enjoy the content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.